Hello everyone! Today we are reviewing the camping cookware from the brand Terra Incognita. Specifically, the PATO pots with capacities of 1.2 liters, 2 liters, 3 liters, and 6 liters. All cookware is made from anodized aluminum. This is a lightweight, durable material that heats up well, conducts heat evenly, and food cooked in such cookware is almost never burnt. All pots have a convenient lid and foldable handles, except for the large pot. This pot has a handle on top, allowing it to be hung. They all come with protective covers. There is a measuring scale on the walls. Interestingly, all the pots nest inside each other. Links to all the pots will be below the video, so subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you next time.